Hello guys, let's take a look at how one can find the dimensional equation of acceleration. Now, before you can find the dimensional equation of acceleration, you first have to write down the formula for acceleration, right? And the formula for acceleration is velocity over time. And earlier, one of my teachings, I taught on how to find the dimensional equation of velocity. You can check that out in one of my videos. So we can see that velocity is also something on its own. So we have to find the dimensional equation for velocity before we can get the whole dimensional equation for acceleration. So let's first find the the dimensional equation for velocity. And the equation for velocity is distance over time. And we know that the dimension for distance is capital L, and that of time is capital T. So we move it up, so it will become LT raised to the power -1. Now we know time, this time, right, is equal to what? Capital T. So now we know the dimension of our velocity, the dimensional equation for velocity, and we know the dimension of time. So we can substitute these into the formula of acceleration to get the dimensional equation of acceleration. So now we can proceed and say that acceleration is equal to, we know the dimensional equation for velocity now, which is LT raised to the power -1, and that of time to be what? T. So now we want to move this T up here to join them, so it becomes linear without any fraction. So what we'll do is that we would actually move it and say that now the acceleration will be equal to LT. Because we move this up, this is also, when we move it up, it becomes raised to the power -1. And we already have raised to the power -1 here, so it becomes raised to the power -2. I hope you understand me. Or should I explain further? Okay, let's say that with simple mathematics, we can say this is LT -1, and we are moving this T up, which is also -1. And so because they are like this T and this T, we add the powers, so it becomes LT -1 plus -1 will give us -2. So that is why we got this, right? So this will be your final answer. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please comment down below and I will help you through it. Thank you very much.